One very common question in interview for structural engineers is what is diaphragm? Okay, so diaphragm is nothing but it's a structural component which is transfer lateral load resisting, means transfer the lateral load coming from wind and earthquake to the vertical element like column, shear wall, etc. Basically, two types of diaphragm is there. One is rigid and flexible, or semi-rigid, we can say. These all depends on the stiffness. Uh, if the stiffness, in plane stiffness, you can say the in plane stiffness is more, then we can say that is a rigid diaphragm. And if there is we are allowing some deformation, uh, then we can say that is flexible or semi-rigid. So this is all about diaphragm, but there is some clauses in 1893 about the definition of this semi-rigid and rigid. You can go through once, and if you use any FEM finite element model, if you want to do it, and you are using some software like CSI or anything, uh, ETABS, STAD or all, there you will get the option to assign as a rigid, semi-rigid diaphragm. But you will get direct option there, but the behind that there is some theory what is how it is behaving, the semi-rigid, and how rigid diaphragm is behaving, that we need to understand. And the thing is, main thing, uh, where we are allowing, which kind of diaphragm we are allowing the deformation, that we need to understand, and why. So that's all about diaphragm. Okay, bye.